Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the seventh question in the exercise 3.1. Now let us look at the question. Draw the graphs of the equations x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0 and determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. So let us first note the two equations. It is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and the other line is going to be 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. So for the first equation, let us just draw the box. Let's start filling in, assume the values for x and y's. So x, let's assume x is equal to 0. In this case, 0 minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, which means y is equal to 1. Now let's mark the value of y is equal to 0, which means x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. Now let's take the value of x is equal to 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 minus y is equal to 0, which means the value of y is equal to 3. Now if you take the value of x is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 minus y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 2. I think we have generated 4 values. That should be enough. We have generated these plot points for the equation x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. For the equation 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0, let us generate the plot points. So let's mark the boxes. X is equal to, let's assume, is equal to 0. So 3 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. So 2y is equal to 12, which means y is equal to 6. Now let us assume the value of y is equal to 0. So this means 3x minus 12 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4. Now let's take the value x is equal to 2. So in this case 3 2s are 6. So 6 minus 12 is minus 6. So 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 3. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Now I'm stopping here because from these two tables, I see the point of intersection here itself 2, 3 because the value matches. So this is going to be the point of intersection. Now let us draw the graph and then we can see how to intersect and draw this. Okay, so let's draw the plot points. This is the origin and now this is 1, 0. I'm marking it as 1 for now. This is 2 units, 3 units, 4 unit, 5 unit, 6 units. Now on the top, it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this point is going to be 6. So it is 0, 6, 0, 5, 0, 4, 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 1. But for now, I'm just marking only the white points. Similarly, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. And let's first mark the first line. I'm using the red color for the line x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, the value of y is equal to 1. When y is equal to 0, the value of x is minus 1. When x is equal to 2, the value of y is 3. So the point is somewhere here. When x is equal to 1, the point is 2. So it is lying here somewhere. If I join these, I get to have the line. This is a freehand drawing, so the line may not look very nice. So this is the line x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Always use a scale. Now let's plot the second line, which is 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, the y value is 6. So here is a point. Then when y is equal to 0, the value of x is 4. So here is the next point and this is the point 2, 3 that going to match. So if I connect these 3 points, I get to have a line like this. Let's mark it. It is 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Since it is a freehand drawing, the line looks very messy. Now let's see in online how it looks like it. Let's plot the point x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So you have got the line. Now let's plot the second line, which is 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now let's zoom in to see what kind of lines they are and where they are actually intersecting. So if you see, this is a 6, 0. See the point of intersection, it is 2, 3, and this point is going to be 4, 0. This point is 0, 6. So because it is online tool, they have given different color codes for these 3 points. When we do it manually, we are supposed to mark the points of intersection. And please note, we are supposed to shade the areas of this. So I'm going to mark this point also, minus 1, 4. So this triangle between minus 1, 4, 2, 3 and 4, 0, this triangle is what we are going to shade, which I will show here. Approximately use a scale to shade this area to show the triangles. So that was what the question was asked. So these 3 points are the highlight points. So highlight these 3 points in the graph as well. So this point is minus 1, 0. This is going to be 2, 3 and this is going to be 4, 0. So enclosed between these 3 points is going to be the triangle, and which is what we have shaded here. Please ensure when you draw the diagram in a graph that you only use a pencil and ruler. Always ensure that right next to the lines that you have plotted, you have written their corresponding equation. Also, the points of intersection needs to be highlighted with their coordinates. In this case, since we need to form the triangle, all the 3 points are highlighted. Always use a pencil. No pens are allowed in the graph, and use a thin sharp pencil with minimum work of eraser so that your graph looks neat and presentable. In the next video, we will solve the first question in exercise 3.2. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.